Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 13.3. Find the number of lines of symmetry in each of the following shapes. How will you check your answer? Let us find the various number of lines. Here you see that we can draw only one. This is one line of symmetry, horizontal. This is one line of symmetry, vertical, 1, 2, right? This is another 1, 2, 3, and this is another. In this figure, we have drawn 4 lines of symmetry, right? 4 lines of symmetry. How do you check 4 lines? We can check that one line of symmetry divides the figure into 2 equal halves. 4 lines of symmetry. Right? Now this one is only one line of symmetry, like this, vertical line of symmetry. One line of symmetry. Line of symmetry. And this has also one line of symmetry. You see this one, right? This also has one line of symmetry. One line of symmetry. This is also one line of symmetry. Right? Now question number E. Question number E, you see. What is question number D and E? Question number D, E and F. In question number D, here you see we have only in question number D we have only this line of symmetry 1 and 2. In question number D we have only 2 lines of symmetry. 2 lines of symmetry. 2 lines of symmetry. Right? And question number D, we have only one line of symmetry, that is vertical. It is one line of symmetry. One line of symmetry. Line of symmetry. In the case of F, here you see, if we draw, it is a horizontal line of symmetry, and this is vertical line of symmetry, that is 2 lines of symmetry. 2 lines of symmetry. 2 lines of symmetry. Two lines of symmetry, right? Now question number 2. What is question number 2? You see, question number 2 is question number 2 is copy the following drawing on a squared paper and complete each one of them such that the resulting figure has two dotted lines as two lines of symmetry. Complete each one of them such that the resulting figure has two dotted lines as 2 lines of symmetry. Two dotted lines of symmetry, right? That is, you have to draw figures. That means we have to take one horizontal line and another is vertical line to get the figure, right? Suppose this figure is not seen like this one. This one is like this, this one, and this one, right? If we draw a horizontal line, then we can draw a figure like this, this, and like this, right? This horizontal line, and according to vertical line, you see like this. The same will be like this one, right? Then this one, and this one, and like this, same as that, right? Like this, right? Now this is the here this is horizontal line of symmetry and this is vertical line of symmetry. You have to draw in a card paper, right? This is question number B and this is question number A. This is one line. If this is the horizontal line, you have to draw like this, right? And if you draw, this is the vertical line of symmetry, then it will be like this one and this one. It completes, right? Here you also you see the figure is like this. It is not anyway. The figure is suppose like this one, this one, this one, like this, like right. The weight is same like this one, and this one, this one, this one, like this, right? You do the same figure in below also. This is vertical line of symmetry. This is vertical line of symmetry, and this is horizontal line of symmetry. Then the same we can draw like this, like this, like the same. It will be same figure, right? In question number C, you will got the same figure, right? In question number C, in question number D, you see this is the vertical line of symmetry, and you have drawn like this one, and this one. If you draw same figure, this one, and this one, right? Yeah, and this is the vertical line of symmetry. You see, this is the vertical line of symmetry. Therefore, it will be same as that. This one, and you will complete this one, and like this, right? You have to draw it very carefully, right? Now this one has only this figure. This is the vertical line of symmetry, and they have drawn like this one, and this one, right? That means you have to like this one, right? And if this is the vertical line of symmetry, it will be like this, and like this. Take, right? This one is like this. This is the horizontal line of symmetry, and this is the vertical line of symmetry, right? Here you see this is the vertical line. That means it will be same as vertical line. It will be same as like this one, this and this, right? This is the horizontal line and this is the vertical line, means same. It will be in this way, this one. You will draw the figure in a paper, right? And it is like this, right? In this way you have to complete the figure in your paper, right? Now question number 3. What is question number 3? You see, question number 3 is in each figure alongside a letter of the alphabet is shown along with a vertical line, along with a vertical line. Find which letters look the same after reflection, that is which letter look the same in the image and which do not. Can you guess why? Try for this, right? In each of the a letter of shown in figure in the vertical line, take the mirror image. You have to take the mirror image, right? Here is AB. If you draw a vertical line like this, then this will be the mirror image of that. In B, if you take horizontal line, then that will be mirror image of that. In case of O, you can take either horizontal or vertical line. In case of E, you have to take horizontal line of symmetry to get mirror image. In case of M, you have to in between, you have to take vertical line of symmetry to get the mirror image. In case of N, you will not get the mirror image, right? You can get the mirror image, but you have to write like this. This is N. If you do this way, then it will be like this, n. And if we draw a P given line, P, in P we cannot get the mirror image. In H, if we draw the or put the mirror in this way, you will get the H. In case of L, we will not get the mirror image if we draw a vertical line here, right? In case of T, right, if we put the mirror here, you can get a value, the image of T. In case of S, you will not get the mirror image. In case of V, if it is a vertical line of symmetry, you will get the mirror image. In case of X, you can get in vertical line, then you are also getting the mirror image. That is, in case of X, you will get the value. In case of V, in case of T, in case of H, in case of M, in case of O, right? Right? That means they are symmetrical. That means the alphabet which are symmetrical in vertical side, then you will get the image of that later. Okay? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.